Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to change the manage access from editor into viewer only or commenter only. So first thing we have to do now is decide which documents that we want to edit the access. Okay, you can open the documents if you want to, but then there will be the fastest way. You just need to go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click in manage and access. In manage access, make sure that anyone with the access is anyone with a link, but then in this editor side you need to change it. So if you want to make a viewer only, you just need to go click a viewer. So the viewer access means that people that receive this link from you only have an access for viewing the documents without having access to edit it. So there is no tools will be active on the document. It's just to prevent the people who receive this link to edit your documents. So the your friends that receive the links will only can see and analyze it the documents without doing or change any data on your documents. Okay, so what if the commenter? You just need to go click a commenter here, and commenter access mean that the people that receive this link from you will have an access to comment without changing the data on your documents, so that they still can or they still able to add the comments into several parts on your documents, but not with the information inside of the documents. So if you want to play safe, you can just go with commenter, but if you want to go restricted, just have or just give them access to view your documents, so that you don't need to worry that your documents will be gonna change. So that's the way how to change the general access on your documents. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.